Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I want to show you how to make these cute little gold boxes for Christmas time. These are so easy to do. I did mine using the Perfectly Plaid stamp set, but you could really do this with any paper you have, any embellishments you have. These gold boxes are really cool, and you can use them. They're about 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 about, I think, boxes, and you can use them. I'm going to be using them for gift cards and for any little tiny gift I might have. But gift cards is perfect. You know, we're always looking for, how do I wrap the gift card? So these boxes work great for that. You could even put little treats in here. Hershey nuggets fit in there, stuff like that. But they're so easy to do. So let me show you. So first thing you need are the gold boxes. And I believe they come with 10 in a pack, I'm pretty sure. So the inside, they are food grade safe. So they have the little coating on them. So if you do want to put food in them. So what I do first is I go ahead and, excuse me, fold all the score lines. So I just go up one way, and flip it around, go up this way, okay? That little piece pops out, and then let's go ahead and go this way, this way. I like to give them a good push, okay? So simple. Now to put the box together, go ahead and put these first little tabs in, and this part with the little circle here, you're just going to fold up and over and then pop your little ends in, and see, they'll pop right in. These tabs go in and your lid folds over and your box closes. So simple. And see, it's got the little thumb tab, so it's easy to open. Aren't those pretty? And they're so shiny. All right, so to decorate my box, I grabbed the Perfectly Plaid stamp set because I wanted to use this Merry Christmas. I love this font and everything, and it's in a perfect size. And I grabbed the tree punch that coordinates. I forget, it's probably not called tree punch. Maybe it is. At the bottom of your screen. So this punch coordinates with it. And I grabbed the paper from the what's it called? The plaid. It's called. Hold on, I got it right here. It's called. I say I've got it right here, and then Wrapped in Plaid. There we go. I grabbed the paper from the Wrapped in Plaid suite. There's tons of paper in there, and there's all plaid on one side, and then there's some images on the other side. So I grabbed this paper here. So the other side has this stripe. So that's what I'm using, because the opposite side almost always coordinates perfectly with what's on that side. So why mess with it? They make it so simple for you. So this is real red with, it's got gold in it, and then it has the shaded spruce green. I love that so much. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to cut a tree. So I need one tree. This punch is awesome. Okay, so I'm just going to feed this in right here. Oh, but I want to make sure my stripes are straight. So I'm going to punch out a tree. So I need one of those. And remember, all of our punches store flat, so it's easy to stack them. And then with the other piece I cut, it's 3 inches by 3 inches, just a square. And we're going to stamp the Merry Christmas. So I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock here. And this is cut at 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. Just a little piece of Whisper White. And I'm going to grab my shaded spruce ink. And this is a photopolymer stamp set. So it's clear, I can see through it, and I should put a little mat under it, but I'm not sure what I did with my mat right this second. So I'm just gonna ink that up real well, and just gonna stamp this right in the center and lift, and that's perfect. Oh my gosh, that's so good. All right, and let me grab my Stampin' Scrub here, clean off my stamp, all clean. I can put this away so that I don't lose it. There we go. Let me close up my ink. Now, if I was making a bunch of these like I did earlier at once, I would just do all my stamping, and then I would cut all my trees, and then, you know, so on and so forth. All right. And now I'll put my cute little box together. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my square. So you could totally do these for any occasion. Now, the boxes do come in gold right now. In the past, we've had white, but right now we just have gold. The Valentine's Day, these would make cute little boxes. In the new 2020 mini catalog, there's cute Valentine paper. You could do them up for Easter, really any occasion. You could just make birthday ones. I have a whole big stack of birthday ones I've made up in the past. for when I just need for a birthday gift, because we seem to give a lot of gift cards or money or just small things, jewelry, stuff like that. All right, for my Merry Christmas, let's go ahead and put adhesive on the back. This is going to go right at the bottom, even a little bit lower than it is, just like so. Okay. Then on the back of my tree, I'm going to put some dimensionals just to pop it up a little bit. 1 and 2. Okay, and my tree is going to go right, oops, it's crooked. There we go, right like that. Nope, he's crooked still. Let's get him straight. There we go. All right. Then I grabbed the Jingle Bells. Aren't these fun? These are in the 2019 holiday catalog, and I want a gold bell. They come in the cherry cobbler, shaded spruce, and gold. So cute. I'm gonna grab a little bell, and I'm gonna grab my Whisper White Baker's twine. So my puppy, I have a puppy. He got a hold of this. Isn't that nice? Yeah, he unraveled most of it, and I see some of it isn't even totally white anymore. Oh well, I'm gonna have to, you know, life with a puppy. All right, so my children were watching him, and he got into my craft room, and he had a lot of fun. So anyway, all right, so I'm just gonna feed this through. Okay, there we go. Oops, come on. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut off a piece. And this is way more than I needed, but that's okay, because I hate working with little pieces. But I'm just gonna tie a bow, just like regular. In fact, I wonder where my puppy is right now. He was just at my feet, and now he seems to have left the room. Oh well. Okay, so I want the bow a lot tinier though, so I'm just gonna pull my loops really tiny, 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 like really tiny. Okay, and pull it really tight. Okay, that looks cute. Actually, I want it even tinier, I think. Go a little bit tinier. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and I'll cut those shorter in just a second. I'm going to grab my mini glue dots and stick one right on the back of the bow. Come on. Okay. And then I'm going to stick it right, let me get it not stuck to my fingers. Come on, I'm going to stick it right at the top of the tree. Cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut these little guys shorter because I don't need them quite that long. Go here and here. All right, and that's my cute little box. And it jingles. Isn't that adorable? And here's some other ones I've done. Aren't they so cute? And it's so easy to do a whole bunch at one time. I mean, this isn't even a whole bunch. This is only 5. But they're super cute, right? And since they come with 10 in a package, I have plans to make up other ones with different paper and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.